This is boy one from Banshee's litter of 5. He's a beautiful Bengal boy. He is clouded, his rosettes are clouded. Now the clouded Bengal was bred to look like the clouded leopard of India and China. And you can see he has gorgeous big clouds that stretch from his shoulders right the way down to his legs. He has no bars. Show you the other side as well. Really good quality kitten with huge clouds. Show you his back here. He's a beautiful little boy. Very, very friendly, very affectionate, well handled. Make a wonderful pet.